Well, here on the morning show, if you've been with us, then you know that we love animals. And this morning we are joined by fellow animal lovers from the Joplin Humane Society. We're joined by Tiana Fisher. And of course, oh my goodness, Tiana, you do this every week. I mean, my goodness, how cute can these guests of honor get? Who is this?
I don't have a name for this little love yet. She's only about 3 weeks old. And her family are getting ready to leave today to go into their foster home. But I just wanted to show everybody how cute she is and let you know that kitten and puppy season has officially arrived, and we are in desperate need of foster families to help take care of these guys till they're big enough for a forever home.
Does she even weigh a single gram? I mean, she is like the cutest little thing in the world.
She is so tiny. She's just... and her eyes are just opened, and so she's, you guys, look how cute she is.
Oh.
She looks like a little tiny tiger.
What is it like to take one of these home, though? I mean, you know, when we talk about an animal this small, as adorable as she is, I mean, she does require a lot of care because she's so young. So what does a household need to be prepared for when taking home someone like this?
They just need to make sure they have somewhere safe for them to be. We can provide a crate, and we'll provide all of the food and stuff that they need. The big thing is just somewhere for them to be away from other animals, away from the dogs, away from other cats, things like that. And just some love and attention till they're old enough to grow. If you get a mom and babies to foster, it's really easy. Mama does all the work. You just change the litter box and make sure everybody has food and snuggles. So some of the puppies don't come with a mom, so it's a little bit more labor intensive, but it is absolutely totally rewarding. It's a lot of fun, and you're making a huge difference in the life of a homeless pet.
She's like the little lion queen here. It's too cute. So, all right, what you've got the fast and the furriest? Is that right? Is that coming up?
Yes, the fast and the furriest Joplin Drift 5K. We like cars and we like critters, so we combined them. It's an opportunity for everybody to get out and help the shelter raise some funds to take care of these cute little loves. But it's also a way to enjoy the weather and mingle and see some friends as well. So it is coming up on Saturday, May 8th, and we will be having our event at the King Jack Park in Webb City. Easy to sign up. You just go to joplinhumane.org and you can get all signed up. And it's going to be a lot of fun. We're really looking forward to it this year.
Hey, thanks a lot. We appreciate it. We'll have the info on our morning show page at koamnewsnow.com, and we will be right back here on the KOAM Morning News after this.